How did a pioneer in some of the most transformative technologies of the 20th century end up as a cautionary tale of missed opportunities? Why did the company that invented the photocopier, the graphical user interface, and Ethernet fail to capitalize on its groundbreaking innovations? The answers lie in a series of strategic missteps and a failure to adapt to a rapidly changing technological landscape. Xerox, a company synonymous with photocopying, once stood at the forefront of innovation and technology. However, despite its groundbreaking contributions, Xerox is also a story of missed opportunities and strategic missteps. In this video, we'll take a look at unbelievable things you need to know about Xerox and how it threw away everything. How did a single invention transform the way offices around the world operated? The story begins with Chester Carlson, a patent attorney and part-time inventor who was frustrated by the tedious process of making copies of documents. In 1938, Carlson developed a process called electrophotography, later named xerography. This process used static electricity to transfer toner onto a sheet of paper, creating a copy of the original document. Carlson's invention initially faced skepticism, but in 1947, the Haloid Photographic Company saw its potential and acquired the rights to develop and commercialize the technology. After years of development and overcoming numerous technical challenges, Xerox introduced the Xerox 914 in 1959. This plain paper copier could make multiple copies quickly and efficiently, a stark contrast to the labor-intensive methods previously used. The Xerox 914 was a groundbreaking success. It was the first office copier that allowed for the production of high-quality copies on plain paper, which was a significant improvement over earlier methods that required special coated paper. The 914's ease of use and reliability made it an instant hit, transforming office workflows and significantly boosting productivity. This invention not only established Xerox as a major player in the office equipment industry, but also set the stage for the company's future innovations. Why would a company known for copiers invest heavily in a research center focused on computer science and technology? In the late 1960s, Xerox recognized that its future success depended on innovation beyond copiers. To ensure it remained at the cutting edge of technology, Xerox established the Palo Alto Research Center in 1970. Located in Silicon Valley, PARC was tasked with exploring new technological frontiers. The center attracted some of the brightest minds in computer science, including engineers and researchers who would go on to pioneer major advancements. PARC's mission was to create technologies that could revolutionize the way people worked and interacted with information. PARC's contributions were numerous and far-reaching. The center fostered a culture of innovation that encouraged risk-taking and out-of-the-box thinking. Among its many achievements, PARC developed the graphical user interface, or GUI, the computer mouse, and the concept of object-oriented programming. These innovations form the foundation of modern personal computing, demonstrating the tremendous potential of PARC's forward-thinking approach. How did Xerox manage to miss out on the personal computer revolution despite having the key technologies in its grasp? The answer lies in the GUI and the mouse, two of the most significant innovations developed at PARC in the 1970s. The GUI, with its windows, icons, and menus, made computers accessible to the average person by replacing complex text-based commands with intuitive visual interactions. The mouse, a simple yet revolutionary pointing device, allowed users to navigate the GUI effortlessly. Together, these inventions had the potential to transform computing from a niche activity for experts into a mainstream phenomenon. Despite recognizing the potential of these technologies, Xerox's management failed to commercialize them effectively. The company's primary focus remained on its core copier business, and it did not prioritize the development and marketing of personal computers. This hesitation allowed competitors to capitalize on Xerox's innovations. Steve Jobs visited the PARC in 1979 and was impressed by what he saw. He quickly incorporated the GUI and mouse into Apple's products, leading to the development of the Lisa and later the Macintosh. These computers brought the GUI and mouse to a broader audience, playing a pivotal role in the personal computer revolution and leaving Xerox to watch from the sidelines. Why didn't Xerox dominate the networking market despite inventing Ethernet? Ethernet, developed at the PARC by Robert Metcalfe in 1973, was a groundbreaking technology that enabled computers to communicate over a local area network. This innovation was crucial for the development of network computing environments and the Internet. Ethernet's potential was immense, as it provided a fast and reliable method for connecting computers and sharing information. However, Xerox's management again failed to fully grasp the commercial significance of this technology. While Ethernet was used within Xerox and at the PARC, the company did not aggressively pursue its commercialization. Robert Metcalfe, frustrated by Xerox's lack of action, left the company and founded 3Com in 1979. 3Com successfully brought Ethernet to market, establishing it as the industry standard for networking. The missed opportunity caused Xerox a chance to become a leader in the burgeoning networking market, a sector that grew exponentially in the following decades. How did a pioneering computer like the Xerox Alto fail to reach the masses? The Xerox Alto, developed at PARC in the early 1970s, was a groundbreaking machine that featured many elements of modern personal computers. It had a GUI, a mouse, a high-resolution display, and the ability to connect to a network. The Alto was ahead of its time, providing a vision of what personal computing could become. Despite its innovative design, the Alto was never intended for mass production. It was used primarily within Xerox and a few research institutions. Xerox's management did not see the commercial potential of the Alto, viewing it more as a research tool than a product to be marketed to the general public. This strategic oversight meant that while the Alto influenced future computer designs, it did not make a direct impact on the consumer market. Companies like Apple and IBM, inspired by the Alto, went on to develop their own personal computers, which reached millions of users worldwide. The Alto's legacy is significant, but it serves as another example of Xerox's inability to capitalize on its innovations. How did Xerox, the inventor of the laser printer, allow other companies to dominate the market? In 1969, Gary Starkweather, an engineer at the PARC, invented the laser printer. This innovation used laser technology to produce high-quality printed documents quickly and efficiently. By 1977, Xerox had developed the Xerox 9700, the first commercial laser printer. It was a significant leap forward in printing technology and had the potential to revolutionize the printing industry. Despite the groundbreaking nature of the laser printer, Xerox was slow to market it effectively. The company's focus remained on its copier business, and it did not invest adequately in the development and marketing of laser printers. This delay allowed competitors like Hewlett-Packard to enter the market and establish a strong foothold. Xerox's story is a complex blend of extraordinary innovation and remarkable mismanagement. From the invention of the photocopier to the development of foundational computer technologies, Xerox had the potential to dominate multiple industries. Yet through a series of strategic errors and an inability to recognize and act on market opportunities, Xerox has become an example of how even the most innovative companies can falter.